Jason Huang. He says AI will rebuild America. He calls this the beginning of a new industrial revolution. And maybe, just maybe, he is right. AI could create new industries, new businesses, new opportunity, but here's the problem. Workers are not feeling excitement right now. They are feeling fear. Because while leaders talk about the future, employees, they are losing the jobs today. This is the AI paradox completely. Companies say that AI will empower humans. Workers hear AI will reduce the hiring, and honestly, both may be true at the very same time. That is what makes this particular moment so confusing. Some experts believe that AI will eventually create entire new career. Others fear millions may struggle during the transition period, and history shows that transition can be really, really painful. During every industrial revolution, some jobs disappear before new jobs arrive, and that is exactly what workers fear now. That AI's benefit may arrive very later on, but layoffs are arriving immediately. And experts warn that workers who fail to adapt to AI tools may become less competitive in the future job market. So here's the biggest question of all. What happens next? Well, where is this leading? Will layoffs slow down, or is this just the beginning? Experts say that some companies are moving towards smaller AI-powered teams. That means fewer managers, fewer junior workers, more automation, and this could completely reshape the global job market today. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are specifically talking for the countries like India that supply massive tech talent to America. The dream is changing. Earlier success means get the degree, get the US job, and settle abroad. Now, that formula suddenly looks unstable because the corporate world itself is changing faster than the workers can adapt. In fact, some experts say that future workers may need to constantly reinvent themselves, in fact, every few years just to stay employable. Stable careers may slowly disappear. Instead of one lifelong profession, people may need multiple careers across one lifetime. Workers may also need to continuously learn AI tools, automation system, new digital skills just to maintain relevant. And you know what is the scariest part here? Nobody fully knows what the final AI economy will look like. Now that uncertainty itself is creating a lot of fear. Well, let me conclude this for you. Let me tell you what is the future of work is like. Tonight's story is bigger than layoffs. As I told you, this is a story of a world entering a completely new era. Ladies and gentlemen, an era where machines are becoming smarter and humans are becoming more uncertain. America is still powerful though. Its companies are still huge, but underneath the AI boom, fear is growing.